Hey, welcome back. It's T here from TechCloud TV. Today we're gonna walk you through creating a Binance account. So here you get a Binance.com. Make sure that you're not going on to a phishing site. Binance has a lot of competitions and stuff. So we're moving on now. Put in all the details that you would like. Using their password, and then click on register. And now it brings up this screen. It's just security. You just have to link up the puzzle. If you hit it right, we'll move on to the next stage, and it will send you an email now. It's the email notification. Just check your email to verify your account to make sure it's you. I suggest use an email that you don't really use. So click on the link, and it'll bring you back to the puzzle. And now you've logged on. So you created a Binance account. So just talking about the 2FA account. The most common one is when people use Google Authenticator. I recommend using a phone that you don't carry around, that you keep at home, so there's no chance of hacking. And then once you put in all your details, keep a backup of that the key. It's literally your wallet. If we lose this key, the problem is it will take about 2 weeks for Binance to bring it back, give it back to you. Yeah, losing this is like losing your wallet and losing all your crypto. So it's not too bad because it is an exchange. And then press enable. Once you enable, now you got 2FA. So what that means is you log on using your password, your email, and then when you go into Google Authenticator, there's also a passphrase. It's just all the layers of security for your account. Okay, let's go into go into news. This was what's going on, what's being registered. Yep. So another thing is I've left our link down in the description. If you want to create an account, click on our link. It's a referral program, so we will get a cut. Yeah, just being totally transparent. But then once you create an account, you can put out your referrals to your friends, family. So right now we're going to put up the screen for BNB coin, which is the Binance coin dash BTC market. This is the user, the basic one. It just gives us all the options that you need to trade. So you look at all the sellers and all the buyers. So people buying BNB is green, selling is BNB. So if you have that coin, you can sell it, and if you want to buy it, you buy it. So this is the advanced option. Advanced option is a bit more for traders that are more experienced. Gives you the black screen, gives you the lines. It doesn't give you that basic screen. So you can change your graphs to what you're used to, similar to shares when you trade shares or other exchanges. And the Binance, you can get it on multiple devices. I have it logged on my phone, so if I want to do a quick trade, but I'll do most of my trading on my laptop. There's more features. These are, you just look at all the coins available. What I try to do with trends, like if you're selling something that's hot, maybe bring it down to 1 minute or 30 seconds. If you're looking at something that trades a bit slower, just change the frequency. Yep, and that's pretty much it. So give us a like, a follow. We've got more videos like this coming out. So any questions?